welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a full day of meals for maximum weight loss. This is how I ate to lose 70 pounds and keep it off. If you are new to my channel, make sure you watch my weight loss playlist because I go over all the details of what I did specifically to lose weight and how to move through plateaus. Remember, you guys can follow me on Instagram at PlentifulKiki. That is where I post most of my content. I'm constantly posting new recipes, new reels, all sorts of lifestyle and food inspo, so make sure you check me out there as well. So I'm really excited about today's meals. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these really delicious lettuce wraps. I used to really love the lettuce wraps from P.F. Chang's, and now that I am plant-based, I make them with mushrooms and they come out so good. I'm also gonna show you guys a breakfast that does not include a huge side of green vegetables. I hear from a lot of you that don't enjoy having veggies at breakfast, so it's perfectly okay to have fruit instead. So I'm gonna show you guys that today as well. So if you're looking for links to my jewelry, the supplements I take, I will link this top for you guys today because I know you asked me about it. Everything is in the description box for you guys below. I will even link the vegan nail polish that I'm wearing because you guys asked me about that as well. I have a new book available. This is called Plantful Habits, and it is a food and habits journal. When I was going through my weight loss journey, I wrote down everything I was eating and how I felt about it. I worked on my affirmations, and it was just a tool to help me make the habit changes so that I could be successful long term. So I decided to put one together for you guys because I found it so helpful for myself. And it's basically where you log your activity for the day, the food you're eating, how you feel throughout the day, and daily affirmations that really helped me make the mindset change that was necessary to love myself and take care of myself from that place. But all of my books are linked for you guys in the description box below. All right, let's get cooking. Okay, so for this potato hash, I'm just gonna take a few of these potatoes that I already have steamed. I like to steam up lots of potatoes at the beginning of the week. That way they're ready to go anytime I want to use them. So I'm just gonna give these potatoes a nice dice. And once I have those all chopped up, I'm gonna chop up an onion. You can use a red onion or a yellow onion. If you don't like onion, don't use onion. So then I'm gonna grab the basket out of my air fryer and I'm gonna put a little piece of parchment paper in because I don't want all the little bits and pieces to fall through. And then I'm just gonna add my potatoes and my onions. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of garlic powder. And then I'm gonna pop it into the air fryer at 425 for about 15 minutes. So while my potatoes cook, I'm gonna get my fruit bowl together. I've got these strawberries that I've washed and destemmed. So I'm just gonna give those a chop, and then I'll chop up my banana. So now I'm going to grab some of this ground flaxseed and I'm just going to add a few teaspoons to my fruit bowl. You can totally skip this, but I really enjoy getting all of the nutritional benefits of ground flaxseed. So now I'm going to add a teaspoon of maple syrup to my hash. I just always loved that combination of syrup and potatoes. You can totally skip this, but I feel like it makes it really, really good. And then of course a little ketchup, and I just use the organic Heinz, nothing fancy. All right, so real quick on the topic of supplements, you guys ask me all the time if we take supplements, if I take supplements, what do I do for healthy hair? I take Complement. This is not a paid advertisement. I found Complement doing my own research. I really like them over other companies because they have iodine, zinc, and selenium, which are really important, especially for healthy hair and skin. It also has B12, D3, DHA, and EPA, K2, and magnesium, and it doesn't have all the other junk that come in these massive multivitamins. You know, those big multivitamins have such high doses that it can really like throw off your body's balance. So I take this one. It's very minimal. I give it to my kids, and they are good sized capsules, and they're black from the algae oil that delivers you your DHA and EPA. My little one takes 2 capsules, and then my teenager and my husband and I take 3 capsules a day. But yeah, this is the one we take and love. So anyway, this is linked for you guys below along with a discount code should you decide to try it. So I'm gonna start off by making the saffron rice. I love basmati rice, so I'm just gonna add that to my rice cooker here. Now this rice cooker really sucks. I don't recommend it. I need to get a new one. It leaks everywhere. So if you have a nice rice cooker that you like, let me know in the comments. So now I'm just gonna add a pinch of these saffron strands. If you don't have saffron, don't worry about it. It's really expensive and it really only adds color. It doesn't add any flavor, so you can forego this, but I love adding saffron and my kids love the fun yellow color. So while the rice cooks up, I'm gonna chop up my zucchini and get that steaming. And this is gonna be the non-starchy side of my 50-50 plate. Okay, so now I'm gonna chop up some tomato, and this is gonna go into the rice bowl. Now I'm gonna take some green onion and I'm gonna dice that up as well. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of this flat leaf parsley and give that a nice fine chop to add to the bowl. Okay, so my rice is done and I'm gonna add some to my bowl here. And now I'm just gonna add the tomatoes, the green onion, and parsley. So now I have these canned chickpeas that I've drained and rinsed, and I'm just gonna add a couple spoonfuls to this bowl. So now the sauce that I love on this chickpea bowl is gonna be the ranch dressing that's on my website. I will link it for you guys below. And if you make it with only a 1/4 cup of the cashews, there's only 11 calories per tablespoon. And this ranch makes the bowl taste amazing. I know it sounds a little weird, but give it a try. My whole family loves it. So now I'm just gonna make my 50-50 plate. I'm gonna add my rice to this bigger bowl, and then I'm gonna put my zucchini on the other side. So I'm just gonna toss my zucchini in there, and then I like to top it with a little garlic, salt, and lemon. It makes it taste really good. The 50-50 plate was absolutely key to me losing 70 pounds, and this is how I've been able to keep it off. You know, having all those extra veggies helps keep you full and satiated. Okay guys, these lettuce wraps are really simple. We're just gonna chop up some mushrooms and some water chestnuts, and I just get those from a can. So first I'm gonna start with chopping up some onion. And then I'm gonna chop up some green onion. And again, I will link all of the recipes in the description box below for you guys. All right, now that the onions are all chopped, I'm gonna give the water chestnuts a chop, and then I'm gonna give all of these mushrooms a nice chop as well. All right, so now I'm gonna add my mushrooms and water chestnuts to my hot pan here. I'm also gonna add my onion, a little garlic, and a little ground ginger. So now I'm just gonna let these cook down in the pan for a few minutes. You can add a little bit of water if you need to help them get going, but otherwise the mushrooms will release a ton of water and it should start to cook up. So while those cook, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the dressing. So I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce and then a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. Then I'm gonna add an equal amount of this hoisin sauce, and you just wanna pay close attention because sometimes they are not vegan and have fish sauce in them. So this brand, it does not have fish sauce. And then one of my favorite ingredients is this sambal olik. It's basically just ground chili paste. If you don't like things spicy, you can of course leave this out, but it adds a really good flavor. And then lastly, I'm just gonna add a few tablespoons of maple syrup. And you can do this to taste. I don't like mine is sweet. My kids like it a little bit sweeter, so I try to meet them in the middle. So once your mushrooms are nice and cooked down, then we're just gonna add the sauce to the pan and then saute them just another few minutes. So I like to serve this with romaine lettuce, and it makes really yummy lettuce wraps. And this is gonna be your non-starchy vegetable side of your 50-50 plate. So I also serve this with some steamed rice to make sure that you get in that nice starch that's gonna help keep you full. Alright guys, that is it for me today. I hope you give these super simple meals a try. Really, simplicity is going to be one of the biggest things that will help you be successful long term. I kept my food choices extremely simple. I kept them as easy as possible to assemble, and I still do that to this day. I'm a busy mom, so simplicity is key. Remember to keep this journey about health and not just about the skinny. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.